Hello everyone, welcome back in Simple Science. Today we will discuss about part 2 type of a plant. In this we will discuss leaf, fruit, seed and germination process and photosynthesis. Now first we move on about the leaf. Leaf is the most important part of the shoot. लीफ जो होती है दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द शूट एंड एज ऑल वी नो दैट शूट इज द अपसाइड पार्ट फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड मीन्स जो सॉइल से ऊपर ग्राउंड पे जो पार्ट होता है प्लांट का दैट इज कॉल्ड शूट. ऑब्जर्व अ लीफ क्लोजली. अब हम एक लीफ के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. नाउ द ब्रॉड एंड फ्लैट सरफेस ऑफ ए लीफ इज कॉल्ड लीफ ब्लेड और लेमिना. If we talk about the lamina or leaf blade, that is the flat surface, that is the total flat surface of a leaf. Each leaf has a tube in the middle. जो leaf होती है inside the leaf has a tube that is we can see here in the middle that is called main vein. Many side tubes arise from the main vein called side veins. There are many side veins. We can see here this is the main vein and these are the side veins. These veins carry water to all the parts of a leaf. It means leaf को जो water supply करते हैं जो water देते हैं that are the veins. Veins के through a leaf can get water. These veins carry water to all the parts of a leaf. Leaf को water कहाँ से मिलता है? By the veins. The lower surface of the leaf has many tiny holes. अगर हम एक लीफ को बहुत ही क्लोजली देखते हैं तो एक छोटी सी सरफेस भी हैव मैनी टाइनी होल्स. बहुत सारे इसमें होल्स होते हैं एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड स्टोमेटा. जो बहुत सारे होल्स होते हैं, टाइनी होल्स होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टोमेटा. एंड प्लांट ब्रीथ थ्रू स्टोमेटा. जो प्लांट होता है वो किसके थ्रू ब्रीदिंग करता है? ड्यू टू द स्टोमेटा. Leaves are green because they contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Due to the chlorophyll, leaf get green color. Okay, due to the green color, due to the chlorophyll, a leaf is green in color. Chlorophyll help the plants to absorb sunlight. Chlorophyll क्या करता है? What the work of the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll absorb the sunlight from the sun. Now here we all know that this is the flat surface that is called leaf blade. This is the main tube. These are the side veins supply the water to a leaf and there is a small space. अगर हम लीफ में एक छोटा से भी पार्ट को जूम करके देखेंगे there are many tiny holes and these holes are called stomata. And a tree or a plant breathe through stomata and the color of leaf remains green due to the chlorophyll. Now here we can see that green leaves make food for the plant with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis process. Now we can discuss here जो green leaves होती हैं they prepare the food. जो फूड होता है ग्रीन लीफ प्रिपेयर फूड फॉर द प्लांट. किसके लिए बनाते हैं? प्लांट के लिए, क्योंकि प्लांट इज ऑल्सो ए लिविंग थिंग. प्लांट जो होते हैं वो लिविंग होते हैं, नॉन लिविंग नहीं होते हैं. तो प्लांट ऑल्सो नीड फूड एंड ग्रीन लीफ प्रिपेयर फूड फॉर द प्लांट विद द हेल्प ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर एंड द क्लोरोफिल एंड द सनलाइट. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड photosynthesis process. Now what is the work of leaves? Leaves जो होती है what is the work of the leaves in a plant? क्या वर्क होता है leaves का? Leaves are called the food factories of the plant as they prepare food for the plant. यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन आता है that is what is a food factory in a plant? As we know that root, stem, leaves all have store food, but who prepare the food? That is called the food factory. And as we know that green leaves prepare the food for the plant, so leaves are called the food factory of the plant. Don't be confused if a question arise in your question paper what is the food factory. So food factory will be leaves. Help the plants breathe through stomata. जो stomata होता है उसके थ्रू जो प्लांट होते हैं they टेक ब्रीथ, वो ब्रीदिंग करते हैं. गिव आउट एक्स्ट्रा वाटर फ्रॉम द प्लांट थ्रू स्टोमेटा. और स्टोमेटा व्हाट डू द स्टोमेटा गिव आउट, वो बाहर निकाल देता है एक्स्ट्रा वाटर को, जो ऑब्जॉर्व नहीं करते एक्स्ट्रा वाटर को, दे गिव आउट extra water from the plant through stomata. Plants like spinach, coriander, cabbage and mint store food in their leaves. As we know that plants like spinach, coriander, cabbage we eat in our food, and mint store food. These leaves are eaten as food. Name the national flower of the India. When we talk about the flower, firstly we should know what is the national flower. So here lotus is the national flower of India. Flower, most plants bear flowers. तो प्लांट्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे प्लांट्स में फ्लावर्स भी आते हैं. एंड मोस्ट प्लांट बेयर फ्लावर. फ्लावर्स आर ऑफ डिफरेंट शेप, साइज एंड कलर. मोस्ट फ्लावर्स हैव ए स्वीट फ्रेगनेंस. दे अट्रैक्ट बटरफ्लाइज एंड अदर insect. Here we can see that flowers help in the reproduction because they produce fruits and seed. With the help of flowers, a plant reproduction can do reproduction with the help of fruits and seed. Here we can see this is the word. By bud they change in the flower, and by flower they change in the fruit. Flowers of cauliflower and broccoli are eaten as a food. When we talk about the which leaves can be eaten and which flowers of we can eaten, so the flowers cauliflower and broccoli we eaten as a food. Fruits and seed. When we talk about the fruit and seed, we eat fruits of many plants. Fruits are formed from flowers. मोस्ट फ्रूट्स हैव सीड इनसाइड देम. फ्रूट्स के अंदर ही सीड्स होते हैं. एंड हेयर फ्रूट्स, सम फ्रूट्स हैव ओनली वन सीड एंड सम फ्रूट्स हैव मैनी फ्रूट, एंड देयर इज ओनली वन फ्रूट दैट हैज नो सीड, दैट इज कॉल्ड पाइनएप्पल. ओके, नाउ when the seed gets enough water, air and sunlight, the baby plant start growing. This process of growing of a new plant from a seed is called germination. What is the process of germination? When a seed get air and water and sunlight, जब एक seed को air, water and sunlight मिलता है, by which a seed change in baby plant and change in a proper plant. Here we can see this is a seed getting water, soil and sunlight. It change in a baby plant, and after that they become new plant. So now here are some main points. As we know that plants have body contain two parts, shoot and root. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil and absorb water and minerals from the soil. The stem hold the plant upright and carries water, minerals and food. Leaves prepare food and help the plant breathe through stomata, photosynthesis and germination process. Here the chapter is finished, and if you have any doubt, any query, please comment me. I will respond you, and we'll meet in next chapter. So thank you for watching my channel, and please like and subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.